very much. Please come. Thank you. This is something you will be happy you came to. Trust me, for the rest of your life. This will be something you will go forward with the rest of your life. Because it's not a knowing, it's an uncovering and a new way of being. It's the weekend after Memorial Day. We're so looking forward to coming back again this year and being with the trees and have an opportunity for all of you to be with us and be with all the trees.
And who are we? Well, I'm Basia Alexander.
And I'm Jim Conroy.
And this right here is Omega Institute with the catalpa tree behind us.
Signature catalpa.
It's in front of the dining hall. So you'll be visiting this tree for every meal. And we just want to let you know how excited we are about teaching here again and give you a few ideas about what you can expect here. So we feel that this is really a fabulous getaway. Getaway from just the regular stuff of your life to come to this beautiful, beautiful treed campus, very comfortable places to stay, and it's beautiful places to walk. We feel that it can inspire you to go toward the path of your heart. And even though we're teaching both practical things and experiences with trees, we still feel that what the opportunity we're giving people is to follow that path of your heart. Yes, you'll bring your logic with you, you'll bring your existing knowledge, but if you can come to the center with that, to really open up and be in balance with that love you have for trees and the desire you have to be in partnership with nature. So what we're offering is a peaceful heart, expanded intuition, and a chance to quiet your mind so you can turn your thoughts toward that joyous partnership with nature, and even toward acknowledging yourself as a difference maker in your life and on the planet.
And you know, it's a two-way street, because in a way, you know, you're really going to be helping the trees, but they're going to be also helping you. So this is kind of a two-way street. You know, when it comes all down to it, we're all one, we're all connected as one. We're all energy. We all work together as one. And there's that opportunity to mesh our energies, your energy with the energy of the trees, and allow that two-way street to happen.
Yeah. And then to use another metaphor, to bridge from that old paradigm thinking that we're so used to in the culture and that's so invisible to us, that domination, control, superiority, separation paradigm that's been in existence for so long and has really done a lot of ecological damage to the planet. So bridge yourself so that you're aware of that paradigm, and you walk across the bridge to the new paradigm of partnership, collaboration, equality, cooperation with all of nature and with other people.
Yeah, it's just really a good opportunity. You know, we get taught from early on in life that you know, humans know best, and humans know what's best for the trees and the plants. But here's an opportunity to actually ask the trees and the plants what they need and what they want, and actually to come from their point of view and ask them, so you know where they're coming from and what they need. Perfect example, you know, some people say a tree needs pruning or something like that. And, you know, ask the tree first if it needs pruning, because it might say, look, I've had a hard time with weather extremes. I need to make as much food as I possibly can. Therefore, please don't prune my leaves off, because I'm trying to recover from climate extremes and I need to make that food. And that's what we're kind of talking about.
And Dr. Jim is giving you a perfect example of speaking as the tree, speaking what the tree is speaking, and that's the kind of thing that we will hopefully open those doors for you to be able to do yourself, so that you'll feel confident about being able to get a message like that from the tree. So you would know about something like pruning. So you'd be able to get a message, you'd have that intuitive access.
And it's a way of being with the trees. It's not just knowing, it's a way of being with them. And then on the other side, it's the trees is a way of being back with you again. Okay? And that's the real two-way street. That's the real opportunity. It's a way of being together that you have not experienced. You're coming from that partnership, that equality that Basia talks about. That's a different way of being than the human knows best, and this is what you need to do, and this is the prescription for the you know? That's it. So it's a more of a way of being with them.
Yeah. So from that way of being then flows your open intuition and the heart-centered awareness. And maybe even for you, if you're interested in that, opening up that access to that nature spirit level, to the shining ones that are also in nature and who have so much wisdom and so much information to give us, and so much encouragement for our futures to give us, so that we're working in collaboration with all of them. So we've just talked about the tip of the iceberg of all the things that we want to share with you, and the love of trees and plants and nature that we want to share with you and open you up to in this class that we'll be teaching.
Yeah, you know, the trees and plants, they want to work with us. They want to absolutely be part of working with us. It isn't like we're just wanting to work with them. They want to work with us too. They want to be partners with us. So it's kind of like you learning how of the way of being to be with them, and they're going to learn a way of being to be with you. And together we can be together as one.
Yeah.
I guess that's the better way to put it.
Yeah, and that's partnership.
And that's the real partnership in this.
Yeah.
And it isn't a learning, it's just really a way of being, and it's an uncovering within you, and it's an uncovering within the trees and plants of coming together and interlocking together and being one together. And that's the real gift here.
Beautiful. So the weekend after Memorial Day 2026, it's May 29th, 30th, and 31st.
Here at Omega Institute in Rhinebeck, New York.
And you'll be able to register in 2026 at eomega.org. And
I'm the tree whisperer. I heal sick and declining trees by repairing the internal functionality of trees.
I'm Basia Alexander, intuitive interspecies communicator, nature communicator,